Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan as well as Quality Business Consultant. And what I'd like to do today is to introduce you all to my clothing boutique financial model. And in using my clothing boutique financial model, you will be able to, or should be able to, quickly and easily create pro forma financial projections for your clothing boutique business. So the way the video is going to play out is, first and foremost, going to go ahead and give you a little bit of background information about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, I'll introduce you all to my clothing boutique business plan template, specifically the financial model of the template. I'll show you all how to use it, what's included in it, and then at the end of the day or the video, I'll go ahead and provide you all with a link to purchase my clothing store business plan template, which includes the Word document as well as the financial model. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this little handy-dandy PowerPoint presentation that I've got concocted for your listening and viewing pleasure. So as promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, MBA, doctoral candidate. I am also a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all do want to avoid all the fun and excitement of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to do it for you. I am also a published author on Amazon.com, and I've written several books on business plan writing. Check me out there. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in business and finance. So if you do need some help with your financial projections, your business plan's good to go. Again, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to help in that regard. All right, enough about me. Let's go ahead and talk about the star of the show, which is my clothing boutique business plan model. And so if you do buy my clothing boutique business plan template, it comes with a Word document, and the Word document is right here. So hello, Word document. And then also it comes with the financial model, which is what we're going to be covering. So when you do buy, you open, you download the package and you open it up. You're going to be You are going to be greeted with this page right here, which is your information page. This is where you're going to change all your information. You're going to enter your information about your clothing boutique, your revenues, your costs, your startup costs, monthly fixed costs. And as you're entering that information, the other pages are going to update, which is going to be the projections tab, which is just a summary tab of your revenues, your costs, as well as your profit and loss tab, which is your 12-month profit and loss statements, broken up monthly, month 1 through 3, quarter 1, month 4 through 6, quarter 2, and then also your pro forma income statement for the next 5 years. So as you enter this information here, those charts will be, all those pro forma financial projections will be updated accordingly. All right, so in order to update your revenues, it's going to be in this section right here, which is your daily sales. Right here, you're going to enter the number of customers you're going to service on a daily basis, average customer price served. So if your customer's ticket is about $90 a ticket, then put it there. And this right here is going to be your variable cost. Whatever your variable cost is going to be, just go ahead and enter your variable cost here. Next one is going to be your days of operation. If you're going to be open 7 days a week, put 7. If it's going to be 5, put 5. Labor, how much you want to pay yourself is going to be the salary here on a monthly basis. And then right here is going to be your number of employees, their hourly rate, and the number of hours they're going to work monthly will be right there. Next section is going to be startup costs. First 2 lines is how much you're going to invest into your business and how you're going to fund your organization. So for this particular template, I'm saying we're going to do a $25,000 equity investment, take out a loan for $175,000, which is $200,000. So however you're going to fund your business, you're going to put in those 2 lines right there. And then right here is how you're going to divvy up that amount of money funded. So, for example, if you are going to do $200,000 in funding, it's cost you $200,000 to start up, then we're going to break it out into $100,000 for build out, $35,000 for working capital, and so on. And just make sure that whatever dollar amount you use to start up, your startup funding right here is going to be equal to the dollar amount down here. So you want to make sure all your funds are allocated and categorized, and these are your categories. You can change these numbers here. And you can also change the titles right here for your various categories for startup cost. Next section is your monthly fixed cost section, how much you're going to pay for rent, utilities, office expenses, insurance, advertising, and then other is your catch-all line. Miscellaneous information is going to be your tax rate. Whatever you think you're going to pay for taxes, put it there. For growth rates, the first 5 lines are your revenues growth for the next 5 years. So whatever you think your revenues are going to grow for the next 5 years, put that information here. And then these lines right here are your annual growth rates for the various costs. The next section is going to be a loan amount section right here for the loan information. Whatever you put for a loan amount right here will automatically populate right here. And then you just change the interest rate, the term of your loan, and your payment will automatically calculate, and it will go ahead and update into your projections, your profit and loss year 1, as well as your income statement. All right, so that is my little magic trick. That's how you use the financial model right here. You fill in that information, and as you do that, your profit and loss for the income statement as well as your profit and loss statement will update accordingly. And all you have to do is just copy and paste your various, just copy and paste right here, and just copy this and then go to your Word document and paste that information, each one of the charts, into the appropriate sections, and you'll be off to the races. All right, so let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. So in summary, if you do buy my Clothing Boutique Business Plan Template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a tutorial, and that is in a separate video. It also comes with a basic financial model, which I just showed y'all in this tutorial, as well as a tutorial on how to use it, which is this video. I also do provide y'all with other business plan template tutorials. You can find my other tutorials on how to use my business plan templates and how to adjust them, and some tips with working with them. You can find that information on this link right here. There are some limitations to my business plan templates, all of them. They are not compatible with Google Docs or Apple products, so you do need Microsoft Word, and you do need Microsoft Excel in order to make any of the changes. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns about the template before you buy it, here's my contact information. Feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to have a great conversation about the template for it with you. However, after you purchase the template, I do not offer free phone support. So if you want me to help you to fill in the Clothing Boutique Business Plan template, whether it be the Word doc or the financial model, I do charge for that service. And then finally, if you do want if you do want to buy my Clothing Boutique Business Plan template, it is available for purchase and download right here at this link. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you don't want to mess around with the templates, you just want a professional write your business plan for you or to do your financial projections for you, I would be delighted to do so. Check out my prices page right here. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out, have a great day, make a little money, and just be safe. Thank you.